Hi everyone! My name is Simrat and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Easter bouquet. So let's begin. To start, I'm going to take a bamboo skewer and I decided I was going to paint this green. Now I have finished painting this, so I'm going to leave it to dry. Now my bamboo skewer has dried and this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to make a few more just like this one. So here are all of my bamboo skewers. But now I'm going to take these off to the side and take a foam egg. And then taking one of my skewers, I'm going to take the egg and I'm going to stick it onto the bamboo skewer. Just like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing to all of my other bamboo skewers as well. Now I've completed adding foam eggs on all of my bamboo skewers, and here they are. This is what they look like. And then next I'm going to take a piece of floral foam. And what I'm going to do with this is take each of my sticks and I'm just going to poke them into the foam. Like that, and then I'm going to do this with all of my other eggs too. After poking in all of the eggs and placing them in a pot together, this is what they look like. Now I'm going to take some ribbon and taking my pot, what you're going to do is tie it around. Let me know in the comments what you think of this DIY because I think it looks amazing. And if you want to know how to make this bracelet, I have a tutorial made on my channel, so make sure to go and check it out. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!